Hey everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. This will be a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Apollo IO for beginners. Through this video, you will learn how to take your sales and marketing to the next level. So whether you're just getting started with this powerful platform or looking to further leverage its capabilities, you are going to learn a lot of helpful tips and strategies in this video. And the first step is signing up for your free Apollo account. Go to Apollo IO and click the sign up button in the top right corner. You can register with your email, Google account or Microsoft account. Registering with Google makes the setup process faster. After signing up, it will ask you to grant access to your Google contacts and the calendar. This access will automatically import your existing contacts and connect your calendar for scheduling. So once you've granted permissions, you'll be redirected to the Apollo Home dashboard. This is the central hub for all of the features. Onto the left side, we have the main menu options, which include the Home, Search, Engage, Enrich, and Analytics. You will also get to see a helpful onboarding guide and quick start checklist to get familiar with Apollo. So let's quickly walk through the key settings to configure first. In the top right, click on your profile icon and go to Account Settings. Under Company, add your company name and the website URL. Make sure that your name, email, and image are correct under the personal information. And under Preferences, choose your default contact and calendar sync sources. And just like that, your core account setup is complete. The next step is using Apollo Search to build lists of your ideal prospects and customers. We want to click on Search in the left navbar to access these search features, and we can start with searching for people first. So in the People tab, you can filter by full name, job title, company, location, and more. So for instance, I might search for social media manager to find relevant prospects, and then Apollo will populate a list of people matching your query. You can add multiple contacts to your database at once. And below the search bar, click on Lists to access your saved contact lists. To create a new list, click the blue New List button and name it. You can have different lists for customers, prospects, industry, influencers, and so on. So organize them however fits your workflow. You can add existing lists to your search filters for easy access. Simply click the filters icon beside the search bar. Now we can search for companies. Company search works very well like the people search. You can filter by the company name, industry, location, company size, and technologies used. So save the lists of your target companies for future reference. You can also manually create new company profiles right in Apollo if they don't exist yet. So click New Company and input their website, LinkedIn page, and the other unknown details. Flesh out their profile over time. Also, relevant filters like seniority level, technologies used, headcount, and more make it easy to identify your ideal customers. So curate different company lists for current customers, past customers, prospects, and so on. You can segment your outreach campaigns accordingly. With Apollo's robust search capabilities, building targeted contact lists is quick and painless, as you could see. Another important functionality is creating email sequences. Once you've compiled your contact list, it's time to start engaging them to convert leads into customers. So click on Engage in the left navbar to access Apollo's engagement tools, and let's focus on creating multi-step email sequences first. In the Sequences section, click the blue New Sequence button to get started, and give your new sequence a name like Lead Nurture or Customer Onboarding. You can also select the pre-built ones to choose a template from common scenarios, like for example if you want an event invitation sequence or a renewal reminder sequence, or for example if one of the users goes inactive, then you can have a re-engagement kind of sequence. You can build out these steps in your sequence using the visual editor, and easily add emails, waiting periods, conditional logic, text messages, and way more. So drag and drop steps to rearrange the order and remove any unnecessary steps. Also think carefully about the optimal flow and triggers for your particular use case. Map it out before building. Next, you can customize the content for each email. Apollo will load a pre-written template to edit. You can personalize your sequence by adding merge tags connected to your Apollo contact data. So for example, you can insert their first name or a company name, job title, and the other attributes. Make sure your subject lines are catchy and benefit driven. You can use emojis or even brackets to grab the attention. Now we want to write the email body copy in a conversational kind of style. So focus on delivering value relevant to their needs. and place any relevant calls to action front and center based on their position in the funnel. Once your sequence is fully built out, add the contact list that you want to target, and contacts will flow through the automated workflow that you just designed. Tweak any underperforming emails to boost the engagement. And now you can just rinse and repeat this to create sequences for any customer lifecycle stage or campaign. So with Apollo, you can automate and scale your entire marketing and sales process all in one place. In addition to email, Apollo makes it incredibly easy to schedule calls and meetings with your prospects right from your calendar. First, head to account settings and link your desired calendar. You've got Google, Office 365, or even iCloud. Next, under Engage, select the calls and the meetings tabs. Here you can configure your availability so contacts can conveniently book time on your calendar. Create schedule links connected to your calendar that you can share or embed on your website. And prospects will then see your open slots and be able to choose a time. The meeting is automatically added to both calendars. You can enable buffer times between meetings, require pre-work, and customize booking confirmation messages. For even more flexibility, you can use availability rules to set, which include default appointment lengths, booking lead time requirements, restrictions around weekends or holidays, and more. With Apollo's embedded scheduling, you can remove all the friction from coordinating calls and meetings. That way, prospects can also book with just one click rather than the usual back and forth emails. So you'll get to fill your calendar effortlessly while delighting your customers at the same time. Beyond engaging your contacts, Apollo also enables you to enrich your data for more personalized outreach. So click on the Enrich in the left navbar to access data enrichment features, and you've got several options to choose from. You've got the CRM enrichment. You can augment your CRM records with additional Apollo data. Also CSV enrichment, which you can enhance the bulk spreadsheets of contacts with extra attributes. API enrichment, as it allows you to build Apollo data directly into your apps and workflows. And job change alerts, where you will be getting notifications if your prospects switch companies or roles. So for example, you can import your CRM contact database into Apollo, and then it will add social profiles, technologies used, trigger events, and other relevant intel to each contact record. This helps you segment and prioritize prospects for targeting campaigns. It also reveals potential conversation starters and pain points to emphasize in your messaging. Let's talk about Apollo's pricing and getting started. If you're ready to start leveraging Apollo's capabilities, they offer multiple pricing plans. You will have the starter or the free plan. You will get unlimited email credits and up to 60 mobile credits per year and 120 export credits per year. There's also the basic plan for $39 that offers 300 mobile credits per year and 3,000 export credits per year. The professional one for $79 a month, and it offers 1,200 mobile credits per year and 18,000 export credits per year. And the organization one for the same price at the moment, which is at $79, and it offers 1,500 mobile credits per year and 24,000 export credits per year. Now keep in mind that the prices for the plans are per month billed annually. You can also check the other benefits and features for the plans right here, and you will get 14-day trials on these two plans. And that will be all for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. If you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we make in the future.